Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the level 3 variances. In the last video we already discussed the level 1 and level 2, that is nothing but a static budget variance and flexible variance and a sales volume variance. Here we are going to discuss the level 3 variance. Okay, this is me, the RABEEH OVUNGAL. Welcome back to EduCafia. Now MD is asking why that 1 crore becomes 80 lakhs. MD said I need 1 crore, but only the profit is 80 lakhs. So what is the reason? We said it's because of the sales quantity or the sales price differences. That is nothing but level 1 and level 2. And when it comes to level 3, not only sales, it is also because of the production. In production, we said for purchasing material there should be this much cost. For in the production also there should be this much material we have to use. In labor should be this much we have to use, but really happened different things. So there is a chances for differences in the manufacturing cost. In the manufacturing also there will be variances, right? That is nothing but level 3 manufacturing input and sales quantity and sales mix variances. For a product, for this product, what are the costs? For producing this product, what are the costs will be there? Direct costs. So that is nothing but the product cost, right? So a product cost is equal to direct material plus direct labor plus variable manufacturing overhead plus fixed manufacturing overhead. Material cost will be there, labor cost will be there, variable manufacturing overhead and fixed manufacturing overhead, total manufacturing overhead will be there. So if I am used more material in the production, cost will increase. If I am used more labor hours in the production, cost will increase. If electricity cost, rental cost, this like manufacturing over cost is increased, production cost will increase, expenses are increasing, profit will decrease. Chances is there, right? So we are going to find it out. What are the reasons for the variances? So first one, material cost variance. MCV is material cost variance, differences in the material used. It said material cost should be $1,000, but actually $1,200. Why? Because two chances are there. I said to use 100 quantity for $10 per unit, but you used 1020 quantity for $10. Otherwise, you used $12 material, that is also 100 quantity. So the reasons are like more quantity is used or the material we used, the price is high. So two reasons are there. First one, material price variances. Variance is there in the price. Otherwise, material cost variance or quantity variance. The variance is there in the quantity. Why this quantity? Okay, price why? The reason it's said to buy $10 material, but in market only available $12 material. Okay, I accepted. Then what is the reason for the quantity? Two reasons may be there. First one, material mix variance, material yield variance. What is material mix variance? Our factory, just consider, our factory is producing mango juice, mango shake. Okay, for making mango shake required, for making one number mango shake required 1 cup milk and 1 mango. 1 mango and 1 cup milk. That is 1:1. If two numbers, 2 glasses of mango shake required, 2 cup milk, 2 mango. Here also 1:1. So 1:1 is the mix for producing that. But instead of this, actually I am taking 1.5 cup milk and 1 mango. Here mix is not equal to 1:1. Here it is 1.5:1. Difference is the right. Difference is the right. Because of this, what will happen? More milk I am using, price will increase, cost will increase. So this is material mix variance. Variances is there in the mix. Next one, material yield variance. What is that? 1 cup milk, 1 mango is required. Totally how much material is using? 2. So for one number, 1 glass of mango juice, mango shake, only required 2 material. If it is 2 glasses of mango shake, how much I required? 2 cup milk, 2 mango is required. There 2 plus 2, 4 material I am using, but that is for 2 mango shake. That is equal to 4 by 2, that is equal to 2 numbers only I am using for 1 mango shake. Same only, but instead of that I am using 2.5 cup milk and 2 mango. Here I am using 4.5 for 2 cup of mango juice. Here that is not equal to this. Difference is there. The total amount we have to use for production is against the standard. So then there is a, so because of this, material yield variance. You got it? So these are the reasons for material cost variances. So there will be changes in the labor cost also, right? So that changes is labor cost variances. We estimated that $100 should be there, but totally $110 is incurred really. So this is nothing but how much difference? $10 difference is there in the labor cost. That is labor cost variances. So what is the reasons for labor cost? For labor, more hours can work. Otherwise, more rate or salary we can give. Per hour, salary will be there, rate will be there. Per hour, we have to give $100. If it is like that, instead of $100, $110 we are giving, that is labor rate variance, changes in the rate. Otherwise, labor efficiency variance, changes in the efficiency. Efficiency means we estimated the work will finish within 100 hours, but work finished within 120 hours. There is a change in the efficiency, hours, right? So because of the efficiency, that is labor efficiency variance. So why this efficiency variance is there? Two differences. Labor mix variance. For making this, there are many processes. First I have to take a plastic. This is a plastic sheet. I will purchase a plastic sheet that I will melt and make this. I will pour that melted plastic in a mold, then I will make this. Then next process, I will paint, black color paint. Then this is like this. Okay. So two processes there. Molding and painting. Molding and painting. For molding, skilled labor is required. For painting, I can also paint, you can also paint. there is only required a semi-skilled. Molding is a dangerous job because it is dealing with the fire and molten plastic. It may hurt your skin. So you need a skilled labor. Here you need a semi-skilled labor. For here, skilled labor has to work 10 minutes to make one thing. He required 10 minutes to make one thing. And semi-skilled labor has to work 2 minutes. For what? Painting purpose. For painting, he has to work 2 minutes. So, what is the ratio here? 10:2. That is equal to 5:1. You know how to convert, right? So, that is equal to 5:1. So, here the ratio is 5:1. But, the painting job, right? The painting person is taking 5 minutes to painting. 5 minutes to painting. Here, my skilled labor is taking only 10 minutes. So, that will become 10:5. Then that is 2:1, right? Here it is 2:1. Here it is 5:1. Differences is there, right? That is labor mix variance. Then labor yield variance. 10 minutes plus this 2 minutes, 12 minutes should be there totally. Totally maximum for producing this 12 minutes only required. But because of this 10 minutes for molding, 5 minutes for painting, how much time he took? 15 minutes. I said 12 minutes totally, but they took 15 minutes totally. Differences is the right, that is labor yield variance. You got it? So this is how labor cost variances may come. Next one, variable manufacturing overhead cost variance. We said our variable manufacturing overhead will come this much, but actually happened a different one. Then there is a differences. Then that is variable manufacturing overhead cost variance. What are the differences? What are the reasons? Two reasons will be there. Variable manufacturing overhead, for example, machinery. For machine working, electricity cost is required. So what are the reasons for electricity costs? Two reasons. Maybe more hours worked. If machine is worked more hour, electricity cost will increase. Otherwise, for unit product, it is calculated on unit, right? For unit, there will be 7 rupees or $7, whatever. For 1 unit, $7 they will charge. Now they increased it to $8. Now they are charging $8. So they increased the rate, right? So maybe because of the rate, maybe because of the more hours used. That is what? Spending variance. Variable manufacturing overhead spending variance. Spending means the rate is increased. Otherwise, variable manufacturing overhead efficiency variance. Efficiency means more hours is used. You got it? Because of this, variable manufacturing overhead cost variances will be there. Next, fixed manufacturing cost variances will be there. That is because of spending variance. Rate differences may be there. Otherwise, volume differences will be there. Volume variances. This is not efficiency. This is volume variance. Because of the volume differences will be there. So, these are the 4 variances. MCV plus LCV plus VMOHCV plus FMOHCV, that is equal to manufacturing variances. You got it? So this is topics we are going to discuss in next videos. So the next video, I hope you got an introduction and idea about these variances. Okay, so this is we are going to discuss in coming videos. So we will see in the next video. Bye bye.